would you do this deal? Hillsborough County, New Hampshire, 6 acres, 6.05. There's well, septic, and power, and a mobile home bought in 2011. Flat, no concerns, no HOA. The original offer was $44,689.84.
Oh, darn, I thought it was 40 grand. Okay.
Hold on a moment. But he says he won't take anything less than 70. The comps are, there's one for 7.78 acres sold, May 21 for 62. This is 6 acres. One for 3 acres sold in October for 65. 10 acres, that's probably the only good recreational use one, sold in May 21 for 86. And then there's a 7.4 acre with an existing driveway sold in August of 21 for 122. Almost nothing currently listed. Sent offer not knowing about the mobile home or the utilities. How old is the mobile? Do we know? Was it bought into, like, it was new in 2011? Like, if it's a 10-year-old mobile, no, I'm really liking it.
Me too.
Yeah.
This has me very concerned. These are mobile homes that are sold. Dirt for 11, 10 double for 27, 36, 29, and then it goes to 129. So you got to get eyes on it.
Yeah, it's easy to get an agent to look in there, to be your boots on the ground.
Yeah.
Get him to cross off your old number. I would sign it and send it back, David.
Mm-hmm.
Get it in escrow, and then start working on the rest of it.
Yeah, because hopefully it looks like this.
Uh-huh.
It was got at 83. So
that can't be right. A 220 square foot mobile.
Sure, absolutely. Like these other addresses around the circle and all throughout here, I would get this estimate on all of these. Like this is one little subdivision over. So this is a house. It's in a subdivision just to the north of it for $420,000. So I'll do exactly what Jill said. I'll get this under contract. I like it a lot.
Yeah, I'm not with you there.
We hope you find our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.